Good morning. Here's your morning video of the day. How many of you have a door at home that swings shut by itself slowly, and you have some kind of contraption in front of the door that stops the door from swinging shut? Lots of us have that. So here are the 4 tools you need to stop that from happening. A hammer, a nail set, maybe a chisel or a screwdriver if you have one, and a putty knife. So here's what you need to do. I'm going to show you. So if you close your door, you take your nail set and you pop the upper pin up as far as you can with the nail set. And then you take your chisel and pop it up the rest of the way that you need to go, probably about halfway out. And then take your putty knife, put it behind the hinge so you don't wreck things when you bend it over. So what we're going to do is bend this pin over part way, maybe about 10 degrees, and then we're going to bang it back down in so it binds. And by the hinge binding, the door will quit swinging shut by itself. Voila. That's your video of the day. Thanks for listening.